This is Nifty 50 and I'm looking at the monthly chart. Many people trade in Nifty 50 on a daily basis. I don't do it on daily basis unless I'm sure of the wave count. I don't take the trade. But this is the monthly chart of Nifty 50 and I have marked it as 1, 2 and I have extended the third wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A, B, this was A, B, C and then a triangle. So triangles, when triangle, okay, I'll just see the corrective pattern right now, the fourth wave. See, this is looking like a triangle, this one is looking like a triangle to me. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So when triangles they appear on the fourth wave, they tell you that there's a move up step. But there's one problem. The problem is this: I have extended the third wave, and the pattern which is forming, even the RSI is telling me that this is the third wave. Okay, RSI is telling me now we are in the fourth wave and there will be a fifth one. But the problem is one thing which has caught my eye is this pattern. Generally, this kind of pattern they appear at the start of wave A, and this is called a wedge shape pattern. In wave theory, we call this pattern as wedge shape pattern, and in other words, it can also be called an ending diagonal pattern, leading diagonal. Sorry, B, C, D, and E. Okay, this is this I marked it with yellow to show you. This is wave A, this is wave B, this is wave C, this is wave D, and we are in E. So this leading diagonal pattern generally appears at the start of wave A. So this is the problem which is kind of hurting me, and this pattern is this comes at the start of wave A. So now we will have a correction, something like this: A, B, and C. And in leading diagonals, the correction can go to the extent of 78% or something like this. Though the RSI is telling me that we are in wave 3, but this pattern is what is, you know. So, looking at both the views, Nifty should cross this. To negate this pattern, wave 2, this is wave 2, it should go beyond wave 1. So, once Nifty crosses 18,600 mark, the earlier mark, 18,867, then we can confirmly, I mean, we can confidently say that Nifty is going to go all the way up to 20,000 or something like that. That is Nifty, a fifth wave is left. But here, this pattern is showing me that there might be wave ABC corrections and then five wave decline more, like this, that way. So watch out, because if the selling will start in Nifty, then if this is wave A, then it can go all the way down to 10,000, because wave A is going to wipe out this whole wave. The reason is this is the last of the last wave. So if we take the whole chart of Nifty primary wave, then it starts from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Nifty itself is in the last wave, and what we are expecting is the last of the last. The fifth of the fifth wave is expected. I mean, this is only for educational purpose. I'm not, and this is a wedge shape pattern, A B C kind of a pattern, and this is the pattern which has formed here, A B C. So these three spikes. This is dangerous pattern. It's telling me that Nifty is going to sell. Okay, so I'll show you something interesting like ABFRL. Now this is a stock of Aditya Birla Fashion, and for the fifth wave, you see once the wave A starts, look at this pattern, A, B, C, D, and E. Look at this pattern. This is the start of wave A. Three spikes. One, two, three. Where you have A, B, C, D, and E. And then second wave correction A, B, C, and the wave start. Decline starts. A, B, C. See this spike. This is happening at an hourly level. This pattern. And after this, I mean, this pattern is like this: A, B, C, D, and E. And then we have this A, B, and C corrections. And after C corrections, this is the first wave. The leading diagonal pattern is the first wave. Then we have A, B, C corrections, and then we have five wave decline. One, two, three, four, five. Third wave, fourth wave, then fifth wave, and like that they keep on happening. So this is the problem which is there in Nifty, because this pattern in Nifty is reminding me of this pattern. This is a leading diagonal pattern, which is called a wedge shape pattern. You see the three spikes? This is a wedge shape pattern. Now let's come back to Nifty 50. So this is a wedge shape pattern, which I've shown you, and this is it. Three spikes: one, two, three. A, B, C, D, and E. So this is the only thing which is disturbing me, and I mean this whole analysis is just for educational purpose. Personally, till Nifty crosses this mark, the upper mark, that is, it breaches the first wave, it goes beyond the start of the first wave, then I would confidently say that Nifty is bullish. Then we can take a bullish trade. Right now, I would say that we are in corrections, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So, not very sure in Nifty, though I have already said that Nifty will go up as per the RSI is concerned, and as per the simple wave theory is concerned, which I am using. The daily chart, I'm basically using a daily chart. This monthly chart kind of caught my eye, so this is what I'm discussing here. And please don't base this on for any trade or anything like that. I will be confident only when I can say that Nifty is on a decline when it has breached this line. When this line is breached, black one, I can say that Nifty is bearish. And when this thing goes up and it breaches the top, then I can say Nifty is bullish. And right now we are in corrections. This is the fourth wave corrections as per the daily chart. But on the monthly chart, it is showing the start of wave A. So two views on Nifty, and there's one more thing in Nifty which I'm seeing is on a daily chart. This pattern one, two, three, four, five, A, B, and C. So I'm expecting Nifty should touch this much, 16,437. And since it is a ABC correction happening within parallel lines, I expect Nifty to go down this way. Once it touches this, once it touches this upper channel, then I am expecting Nifty to go down because this would be A, B, and C. B and C. Whenever you have ABC corrections happening within parallel lines, the reversal in trend is confirmed. 90% of cases there is a reversal in trend. It is only after Nifty breaches the upper line, then we can say that yes, there is some bullish trend in Nifty. But it should finally breach this point. 18,000, this much should be breached. This top point, sorry. 18,795 or whatever. This top should be breached. 18,578. 18,578. This should be breached. Only then, with confirmation and with confidence, I can say yes, Nifty is bullish. And we are in the last wave, fifth wave. Okay. Thank you. This is only for educational purpose and just a small discussion. Please don't take trade based on this analysis. And not very confident in Nifty, but this much should occur. A, B, and C, and then down. Five wave move down. Let's see what happens on Monday. All the best. Take care. And one more thing which I want to say that there are many people who, you know, they say what is the at what Nifty will bottom out or what is the high point. You see, I follow the advice of Jeff Kennedy. Now, I will share that advice with you people. So, what he says is that a good trader is somebody, like I'll just draw it here. So, there are many people who ask me one, two, three, four, five. So, this is from Jeffrey Kennedy's view, and I'm sharing it with you guys. He says that stock market is like a moving targets, okay? And he says you should enter the party when the party has already started. That means wave one and wave two is over. So make an entry somewhere here. You see an up move. These are shooting targets. Make a move. And when you start seeing a decline, get out. Don't worry about the fifth wave or something. Just get out. Or you can again take a target. And he says one should leave the party before the cops come. I mean, enter the party at 9 o'clock. Don't go at 7 o'clock. And don't leave at 2 o'clock. Leave at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Okay. So this is what he says: enter and exit. Don't ever think about tops and bottoms. This is what he says. A good trader is somebody who just makes this kill and out. He's least emotionally attached to this, and he doesn't care about how much profit he could have made or something like that. Okay, so please don't ask me about the tops and bottoms because I don't believe in that. Sometimes waves keep on extending, and you know the targets you give they extend, things like that. So try to make this move, you know, this much. Try to make this much in every trade and leave this part. Okay. Thank you. Take care. All the best.